Grow tents are a cornerstone of compact indoor gardening, enabling controlled environments for plants year-round. The right tent optimizes light utilization, humidity management, and odor containment, while offering durable framing and stable assembly. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 tents from 4 brands.
List number 1. Melon Farm 2x2 Grow Tent. The Melon Farm 2x2 Grow Tent delivers a compact, light-proof enclosure with a 600D double-stitched canvas and a highly reflective interior. It includes dual observation windows and a floor tray, and lists a robust waterproof polyester PET interior lining designed for durability and ease of cleaning. Its 24-inch by 24-inch footprint makes it particularly suitable for small grow spaces where starter grows, while the observation window simplifies checking plant health without door openings. At $50.99, it sits in the mid-range for a 2x2 setup and aligns with buyers seeking strong light containment and durable construction in a compact form factor. Performance-wise, the tent aims to optimize light retention and temperature stability, aided by heavy-duty zippers and a sturdy frame. The 2 observation windows enhance monitoring while minimizing heat loss, which is especially useful when using higher-intensity LEDs. The interior's 24-inch by 24-inch chamber volume affords enough space for a small number of plants or a single tall specimen, where the floor tray aids spill control and easy cleanup. Real-world use suggests solid build quality for long-term use, though the 2x2 footprint can feel cramped for larger plant counts or broader canopy management.
List number 2. 24 by 24 by 55 Grow Tent for Indoor Plants. 600D Mylar Hydroponic High Reflective Grow Tents. The Zazie 24 by 24 by 55 tent targets users wanting a taller 2.5-foot profile with a robust 600D canvas and high-reflective Mylar interior. Its claims include 98% interior reflectivity, reinforced PA connectors, and a ducting window with mesh for dust control. The package emphasizes tool-free setup and a structure designed to support heavier setups with solid poles and corner connectors. At $49.99, it occupies a sweet spot for growers who want more height than a typical 2x2, yet still within a compact footprint. In practice, the tall interior improves vertical clearance for short to medium height plants and stage-friendly cultivation. The improved connector design reduces pole wobble, which helps when mounting inline fans or carbon filters. The combination of thick interior Mylar and water-resistant exterior aids light containment and humidity control, though performance ultimately depends on tunnel leakage around seams and the quality of the zippers. The included removable floor tray is a practical inclusion for easy cleaning and spill management.
List number 3. Atour 48 by 24 by 60 Grow Tent. The Atour Grow Tent 48 by 24 by 60 offers a larger 4-foot by 2-foot footprint with reflective 600D Mylar, observation window, and floor tray. Its build emphasizes durability with reinforced metal frame and double stitching, and the observation window design supports plant checks without significant heat disturbance. Priced at $61.49, it sits at the premium end within this list, justified by the larger volume and the ease of observing plant progress in a more expansive setup. Performance-wise, the tent aims to balance high reflectivity with sturdy construction to support broader lighting configurations. The 60-inch height provides ample vertical space for taller plant varieties or training methods like low-stress training, LST, and SCROG. The design focuses on user convenience with a simple assembly process and a clear window that minimizes the need to unzip and disrupt the microclimate. Potential buyers should consider whether their lighting and fan setup scales well with the larger interior volume. Number 4. Atour 18 by 18 by 48 Grow Tent. The 18 by 18 by 48 is a compact option designed for very small spaces, featuring 600D canvas, high reflectivity Mylar interior, and an observation window with a floor tray. At $22.49, it is the budget pick, emphasizing essential functionality, light ceiling, easy access, and simple setup. This model targets beginners or hobbyists who want a discreet, affordable tent without needing to maximize canopy size. Performance-wise, this tent prioritizes light control and basic containment. The double-stitched canvas and heavy-duty zipper support reliable use,
and the observation window allows plant monitoring without repeatedly opening the door. While it may not support larger or tall plant setups due to its modest interior dimensions, it provides a solid foundation for small seedlings, clone propagation, or microgrows. Users should budget for size-constrained configurations and potential heat management requirements with more powerful lights.
List number 5. Ator 24 by 24 by 48 Grow Tent. The Grow Tent Garden 24 by 24 by 48 is a step up in footprint from the 18-inch model, retaining the 600D Mylar interior and observation window with floor tray. Priced at $42.99, it balances size and affordability, offering more capacity for multiple small plants or taller specimens than the 18-inch variant without entering the larger 2x2 category. Performance-wise, the 24 by 24 by 48 configuration supports a broader canopied area while maintaining manageable heat and airflow demands for typical LED setups. The interior reflectivity helps maximize light efficiency, and the reinforced frame provides steady support for modest gear like inline fans and carbon filters. This model suits budget-conscious growers who still want a flexible, prefabricated enclosure with practical monitoring features.